the hell? What is he? God. My med school application. Shit. Okay, you've got this. You got this. Okay. All right. So the chloric. Okay. So the organic molecule. Okay. The carbon and. Okay. You can do this. Come on. Just. Why is he so hard to understand? Fuck. Okay. This, oh God, it's gibberish. What the hell? Why can't I understand any of it? Fuck. This is too much. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Just one glass, that's it. Just a short break. Just a little milk, that's all. God, look at you. 2 p.m. in bed drinking milk and watching Netflix. God. Mom was right. You're never gonna get into med school. No. I can't do this. I can't, no.